Lobby be closed, so you know what that means. I'd be going through the drive-thru.
Thank you for the Burger King roll. What can I get for you today?
Can I get a large order of onion rings, a order of the chicken fries regular, and then can I get a Bacon King, please?
A Bacon King?
Yes. And that'll be it.
Alright, you want any sauce for those chicken fries?
Can I get ranch, please, and then zesty for the onion rings?
Yeah. Alright, name for the order?
Jacob?
Alright, 1556 is that first window for you.
Alright, thank you. Oh, push the bike, it's gonna be fucking loud. Oh, there she goes. Hope the fucking fire's real good.
1566 today.
Alright. Oh, goodness. Yeah?
Thank you.
Yep. Just gonna check these up there. 'Cause I need to put the bag on right here. Alright, thank you.
Yep.
Push the bike with my legs. I feel ridiculous. But I'm getting food, so we're good. Yeah, I would fire the bike back up, but I gotta like pull the key out anyway to undo the back, so I got gecko bag on the back seat, or under the back seat.
Well, now you get back and keep drive a motorcycle at the same time.
Yeah.
Right? That's why you don't order a lot when you're on a motorcycle.
Yeah,
right?
I cheated. I have a backpack under the back seat so I can carry it home.
There you go.
There isn't a whole lot to do in a drive-thru, is there? Normally I just listen to music, but like all they're on the camera with me, so I'm not trying to be that guy. I don't want to get copyrighted. I mean, hell, sometimes the end credit video song thing that's actually royalty-free has this copyright on it, but nothing, no action because it's royalty-free. And it's like, bruh, if it's royalty-free, why is it giving me a copyright strike? Or a potential copyright strike? Gonna watch the traffic. There's your Jeep behind me now too. I'm gonna aim for that spot over there, and I'm just gonna cut through that fence. If I get yelled at, I get yelled at. Oh well. That'll save me some kind of hassle. Not gonna lie, I was just ordering based off in like habit because I didn't know what the fucking wanted. I was sitting there and I was like, ugh. So I just started going with it. Yeah, I know I want onion rings and chicken fries, and then quickly look at the menu. So this Jeep being behind me like that reminds me of a time when I was on my Harley at a stoplight, and this dude in this big ass Kenworth just pulled up behind me, and I couldn't see anything out of my mirrors beside his grill because he was super fucking close, and like he had a big Decepticon logo on the back, like in the front grill, and it's like, bro, that's scary as shit, not gonna lie. Just look back, seeing the Decepticon purple logo and nothing but blacked out fucking Kenworth grill. Pretty nice truck though. I fuck with semis, but I don't think I'll ever want one. Truthfully, the chop top and like lowered a little bit Kenworth semis slap, especially with good paint jobs. And
Jacob?
Yep.
There you go.
All right, thank you. Whoa. Let me push my way out of the way here. Okay, so I'm not aiming for that spot, but I will go through that right there. Okay. Oh, keep standing down. Should have told him Squid. Because then you're not going to know my real name, but I don't really give a shit. I wasn't lying when I said I had a backpack in the back too. The best investment I have ever made for this bike outside of parts. Dead ass, not gonna lie. Now I'll get in there. I actually used this at the grocery store last night. I fit an 8-pack of Faygo, one of those like Pillsbury soft bake pre-made cookies, like the big ass thing of them, and then 2 of like the 16-ounce bottles of pop. That was minty. Now let me see if it'll fire, because last time I did something like that, it didn't want to fire for a couple minutes, which is whatever. I don't know what the fuck that sound was. Got lucky, that's good. Oh, I put another fence so that it cock blocked it. I can't even go that way. Rip. Waiting for me. Alright, so that's what happens when the Burger King lobby is closed. You just go to the drive-thru, no big deal, friends. I'm gonna do the typical YouTuber thing. Like, subscribe, and comment for more. Hit that bell notification too, I guess. Oh, it's actually very warm on my back. Oh my god. 7 minutes, not bad, Burger King, not bad.